13.8 billion years ago, the universe began. In one moment, there was nothing, and the next, there was everything. This instant transformation, this sudden birth of space, time, energy, and matter challenges the boundaries of our understanding. How could everything we know, the stars, galaxies, light, and even the laws of physics, emerge from nothingness? This question lies at the heart of cosmology, and it's more than just a scientific puzzle. It's a philosophical and existential enigma. Everything we comprehend about reality is rooted in causality, the idea that every effect must have a cause. Yet here we are, trying to explain the ultimate event, the beginning of all things. What triggered the universe into existence? This lack of explanation doesn't stem from a lack of curiosity. Scientists, philosophers, and thinkers have long wrestled with this mystery. One possible resolution comes from Stephen Hawking, who suggested that asking what came before the Big Bang is as meaningless as asking what is north of the North Pole. In his model, time and space are interwoven properties of the universe, and both sprang into being at the Big Bang. There was no before, because time itself didn't exist. Others argue that our inability to see beyond the Big Bang is simply a limitation of our instruments and theories, a horizon in our knowledge. What if there is a realm beyond our observable universe? A landscape of countless other universes, each with their own beginnings, physics, and timelines. This brings us to the theory of inflation, the idea that a split second of exponential expansion propelled the universe into being. Inflation explains why the universe appears so smooth and flat, and why it looks the same in all directions. But it also opens the door to something even more extraordinary: eternal inflation. According to this model, inflation never completely ends. Instead, it spawns countless pocket universes, each with its own Big Bang. Our universe would just be one bubble in a vast multiverse. So what was the spark? Was there a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing field that ignited inflation? Or does the answer lie in a theory we haven't discovered yet, one that unifies quantum mechanics and general relativity? Until we have a theory of quantum gravity, we can only speculate. Still, the very idea that time had a beginning forces us to rethink our assumptions. Time is so central to our daily experience. We measure it, we live by it, we age because of it. Yet the universe itself may have emerged from a timeless state. What does it even mean for something to exist outside of time? In this timeless state, the laws of physics as we know them might not apply. Cause and effect might be meaningless. Concepts like before and after might simply not exist. It's possible that what we perceive as the beginning is just a transition from one phase of reality to another, a bounce, a cycle, or a transformation. The universe might have been born not from nothing, but from something entirely different from what we understand. A quantum void teeming with potential, or a higher dimensional space beyond our comprehension. The truth might be even stranger than our wildest theories. We are still at the frontier of this mystery. The more we learn about the early universe, through cosmic microwave background radiation, gravitational waves, and particle physics, the more questions arise. Every answer reveals deeper layers of the unknown. One thing is certain: the story of the universe's origin is not just about astrophysics. It's about who we are, where we come from, and the limits of human understanding. In seeking the beginning, we are ultimately searching for ourselves in the cosmos. Stay tuned, because in the next segment, we'll explore the incredible theories of inflation, multiverses, and what they mean for the future of science. Subscribe to Infinity Beyond, and let's continue this mind-expanding journey together.